Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Shine. In this video we are going to learn about ba.
Batta, duck. Let's repeat. Batta, duck. Bear. Well. Let's repeat. Bear. Well. Burtukal. An orange. Let's repeat. Burtukal. An orange. Bakal. Grocer. Let's repeat. Bakal. Grocer. Ainab. Grapes. Let's repeat. Ainab. Grapes. Batik. Watermelon. Let's repeat. Batik. Watermelon. Hubub. Grain. Let's repeat. Hubub. Grain. Zabib. Raisins. Let's repeat. Zabib. Raisins. Let's learn how to write the letter ba. First we draw a curve, then a horizontal line, and then another curve, and at last we draw a dot. Let's try again. First we draw a curve, then a straight line, then another curve, and at last we draw a dot.
Let's learn how to write the letter ba in its three forms. For its isolated form, we draw a curve, a horizontal line, and another curve, and at last we draw a dot. For its first form, we draw a curve and a horizontal line and a dot. For its middle form, we draw a curve and a horizontal line and a dot. For its end form, we draw a curve, a horizontal line, another curve, a dot, and a horizontal line.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon for further notifications, and share it with your friends. Take care. Thank you.